Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea on a Philips induction cooktop. First, gather your essential items: your Philips induction cooktop, an induction-compatible pot, fresh water, and your chosen tea. It is crucial that your pot is made of magnetic material, such as stainless steel or cast iron, to work with induction technology. Position the pot directly in the center of the induction hob for optimal performance and consistent heat distribution. Next, pour the amount of fresh, cold water you need into your induction-ready pot. Place it back on the hob. Now, turn on your Philips induction cooktop and select a power setting. A medium-high setting, like 8 or 9 out of 10, is ideal for quickly boiling water. Thanks to the induction technology, your water will reach a vigorous, rolling boil in approximately 2 to 3 minutes, much faster than traditional methods. Once your water reaches a full boil, carefully remove the pot from the induction hob or simply turn off the power. Now it is time to add your tea. Whether you prefer tea bags or loose-leaf tea, place them into the hot water. Allow the tea to steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. This duration can vary based on the type of tea you are brewing and how strong you like your beverage to be. Finally, it is time to prepare your tea for serving. Carefully remove any tea bags, or if you used loose-leaf tea, strain it to separate the leaves from the liquid. Pour the aromatic, freshly brewed tea into your favorite mug or teacup. Now, customize your drink by adding milk, sugar, or a slice of lemon, according to your personal preference. Enjoy every sip of your perfectly prepared tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.